Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, but today is all about disassembling this cordless LED light from Parkside, just to find out what parts it has inside and how it's working. Well, it is a curiosity day and you know how it goes for me. I need to know how they are working, all the things around me. Well, let's disassemble. Stands, 3 screws here, let's remove the screws. By the way, I have made a video reviewing and testing this product. You can check in the end of this video or right down below to the description and find out all about this product, how it's working, and of course the brightness at the night. Okay, and we've got another 4 screws inside. Ooh, and there is the battery. Connections for the board, let's remove. And we've got another 4 screws here, just to see the light inside here. Now, the battery. We can remove the battery. And it is 2800 mAh, 3.7 volt, 10.36 watt hours. Correct, it says at the manual. Here's the rubber. We've got another 2 screws for the board. And we can remove the on-off switch. Okay, there is the on-off switch. We've got rubber at the switch, here and here for the Type-C port and the LED light. There is the plastic for the LED light. Another 3 screws inside, just holding this plastic. I don't see any reason to remove that. And let me show you closer. There is the board with a huge switch. Type-C connection for the battery and for the lights here, and of course there is the battery. Beautiful. Now let's move on and remove these 4 screws. Okay, perfect. And there is the board with the LED, another 3 screws. And we've got rubber around, sealing very well this board and the LEDs. And now we can just pull this plastic, rotate, remove the plastic with a holder. And here we've got the torch, rubber around with 4 screws. We need to remove these 4 screws. So many screws. Remove that, the plastic cover for the torch. The reflector with the LED light inside, and we need to remove another 3 screws. Okay, perfect. Okay, I think now is everything. Remove it. Now I can see everything is glued at this board. I can remove this all because cables are soldered at the board here and at the torch. There is the plastic. It helps not to come direct contact your eyes with the COB light. So strong, so powerful. Now definitely I would like to connect everything before assembly again and just try it. And that is very easy. That cable goes here, and we need to connect the battery. Okay, perfect. Oh, there it is. Now we can see how much bright are the COB without this protective plastic. Press again. This is the high brightness. Wow. And the torch. Torch, it is only on a high brightness, one brightness level. And again, COB light, so bright, the lowest and the highest brightness. Nice. And off. Next we've got the torch with the reflection. Nice. Well guys, that was all about. Now you know what parts it has inside this cordless LED light and how it's working. It's taking the power from this 18650 lithium battery. It goes at the board. From the board, by pressing the on-off switch, the voltage are traveling from these three cables at this board and turns on the COB. Pressing again the on-off switch, goes at the highest brightness, pressing again, goes at the torch in front from these two small cables, the black and the red, and with the power it turns on the torch, and again by pressing the on-off switch it turns off. That is all the process how is working this cordless LED light. Now we are smarter, we know how it works, we know all the parts, combine it together and make this LED light workable. Now let's remove these two screws at the front of this torch. Two small screws. And there is the torch light. Small and cute. But it gives so much light. And we've gotten this rubber, goes around here. Many rubbers prevent any water to go inside and damage the lights, the board. And here rubber, as I said. Well, what are you saying guys? Let's move on for assembly. Am I going to make it correct? Well, let's find out. Well guys, that was all about, and let's check now if it turns on. Yep, it turns on. Now we are smarter, we know what parts it has inside and how it's working. Thank you again for watching guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know whom you need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.